Okay, so I got rid of my desktop, no more desktops, and replaced it with two laptop computers. They're both about $450 each. I got it. The first one is a Lenovo IdeaPad Z585, and the second one is a Dell EzPawn 3520. Well, this one says it comes with Windows 8, but I have them downgraded to Windows 7. First, let's look at the ports. On the left-hand side, both computers have Ethernet, VGA, HDMI, and USB 3.0 on the Lenovo, and only a USB 2.0 on the Dell. In fact, this Dell computer does not have any USB 3.0. And also on this Dell, the audio input is on the right-hand side, and on the front there's just some indicator light, and here is the SD card slot for the Dell. Here's the SD slot for the Lenovo. And on the side, on the Dell, I have two more USB 2.0 ports, and this is CD drive. Well, never use a CD drive anymore actually. And on the Lenovo CD, one USB 2.0 port right here, another one right there, and the audio ports are here. Now note, the battery AC input is on the right hand side of a Lenovo system, while the AC input on the Dell is on the back. Other than that, both systems does not have any ports that users can access to in the back. Again, both system is 15.4 inches. General keyboard layout pretty much the same. Touchpad in the back, touchpad slightly to the left. I really don't care for either one. Power button in front, power button here. Other than that, not a lot of differences, except for the Lenovo does have a very visible speaker system here. It says with Dolby Home Theater, while the Dell sees only one speaker here and another speaker here, a lot smaller. So I'm presuming the sound quality, the Lenovo will be better than the Dell. Now the Dell, the one I purchased, it runs on i5 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, versus the Lenovo. I figured I'd try something different, so I went with AMD APU. Let's see, this one is the A10 4600M processor, both running Windows 7. The one thing the Lenovo does have is these controls here. You can touch it to mute the volume up, volume down, and a couple other controls, which is programmable. Again, the Dell don't have anything else. The Windows Experience Index, which tells me the Lenovo scores a 5.9, while the Dell scores a total of 5.1. And looking at the subcategories, the processor here, which is AMD A10 4600M, scored a 6.9, memory 7.2, graphics 6.7, 6.7, and hard drive 5.9. While on this system, the processor actually is a 7.1, so apparently the computer thinks the i5, I think it's a 3210M processor, is better than the A10 46M. The RAM, since it's smaller, 2 gigs smaller, it only gave me a 5.9. The graphics, since it's integrated, I expect it to be a lot lower, which is, and it's 5.1 and 6.2. Hard drive doesn't make a difference. 500 gig, 600 gigs. This one scored a 5.8. Okay, I just shut down both systems and turned their power back. I want to see which system loads faster. Currently, the Dell is booting a little bit faster. Okay, so I connected the Dell computer up to my loading dock first, connected to the monitors, VGA, HDMI, and my hub. Now, one thing about the Intel HD 4000, I think it only supports 2 monitors at the same time, and that seems to be the case. So I have this one, the notebook built in, and then I have this monitor running right now. So let me change it to see if I can bring 3. I'm really doubting it. Let's see. Extend, apply, keep changes. Nope. Okay, that didn't work. Duplicate, maybe. Apply, unable to save savings. Okay, this is the mobile. Let's extend this one, 2 and 3. Okay, let's run some standard benchmarks. PC Mark 7. Just run it. I'll be back afterwards. Okay, benchmark finished. Score is 2063. That's the Dell computer. I'm going to run the same benchmarks on the Lenovo. The Lenovo is an AMD processor, A10 4600M, and the graphic card is, I think, 7660G. Okay, so PC Mark is right here. Let's run our tests. It's analyzing system. Okay, just still running through the demo. It's about 7 minutes so far. Okay, after about 15 minutes, the test is finally finished. So it's processing results. Let's take a look. View the results online. And the score. Okay, now I'm trying to run the benchmark, PC Mark 7 and the Lenovo. Okay, standard test, upgrade later. No intention of upgrading it. Just a standardized test. Benchmark. Okay, so it's about 15 minutes and the result is in. For the Lenovo Z585, the PC Mark 7 score is 2030.